At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, our goal is to give every Lakeville resident a healthy, spotless home, and that commitment guides everything we do. As a family-owned, non-franchise team, we deliver fast, reliable water damage repair in Lakeville, Minnesota, restoring carpets, walls, and peace of mind for years to come. Our certified technicians are expert water and mold removal specialists, equipped with industrial-grade extractors and dryers to tackle disasters large or small. We focus on complete moisture removal because sealing in damp spots can spark hidden mold and costly structural damage down the road. From carpet cleaning to full remediation, every service safeguards your family's health and leaves your living spaces truly refreshed. You'll meet our experts on site for a clear plan and honest quote, ensuring the job meets our exacting standards and your total satisfaction. Call 952-314-8588 or visit soscleaning-areas-serve-Lakeville-MN for immediate help. SOS Cleaning and Restoration, restoring homes, rebuilding lives, one clean, healthy room at a time.